Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can use the AI assistant. This tool can be used in 2D and 3D mode of your project. We will start in 2D. In the top right corner of your screen, click on AI Assistant and choose Execute Commands. Now place the AI bar in the spot where you want to add an object and type in command. For example, add a beige sofa. Now click on Enter. You will see the options below. If you want to see more, you can click on Regenerate. Choose on sofa that you want to add. And now you can move the AI bar and type in a different command. You can click on X to drop out of AI Assistant tool. Now we will use the AI Assistant in 3D. Again, click on AI Assistant and choose Execute Commands. If you need to add something fast, then AI Assistant is there to help. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.